Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 11 science. Now student, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 15, hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon chapter is comprises of 4 parts: alkane, alkene, alkyne and aromatic compound, that is single bond, double bond, triple bond and aromatic compound. Aromatic compound you have seen the example in 10th standard, that is benzene ring. Let's go ahead with the introduction of alkane. Brief study of the hydrocarbon and the introduction of alkane we will see. Hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? This you have studied since 9th 8th standard. Try to answer the question. If not, then see. The compound containing carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon play a very important role in our day-to-day life. The kajal we put onto the eyes, that is hydrocarbon. So can you use some example for fuel which we use in our daily life? That is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, that you use in your house for cooking purpose, making tea. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. In our city it is available in with the different distributor as HP gas, Bharat gas, CNG, compressed natural gas, which is used in the van, cars, CNG. We know very well the rise are increasing day by day. LNG, that is liquefied natural gas. Petrol, example. Now hydrocarbon used as fuel as CNG, LPG, etc. You know very well. These are the hydrocarbon what we use in our daily life. These are used for the manufacturing of polymer also. As every day the government has put a ban on the plastic bag, then also we demand to the shopkeeper as a plastic bag. What is plastic bag? Polythene. What is polythene? Hydrocarbon. Polyvinyl chloride. This is the pipe which is put outside the building, generally used for the toilet drainage. Polyvinyl chloride, propylene and polystyrene, these are the different types of polymer which is nothing but hydrocarbon. See the pipes, they are used for the manufacturing of dyes and drugs also. Certain drugs and paints are prepared from the hydrocarbon. See, these are the dyes which gives you a color. This is the this color is used in the coloring of the clothes, etc. Medicines, don't pick and eat. This medicine is just a picture photograph which is nothing but hydrocarbon. Classification of hydrocarbon based on the bond present between the carbon atom. Right now I said that single bond, double bond and the triple bond. Alkane, alkene, alkynes. Hydrocarbon are classified as saturated hydrocarbon and the unsaturated hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means what? In the hydrocarbon the basic element is carbon. Without carbon, hydrocarbon does not exist. The formation of bond with the help of carbon is in all 4. Means in all carbon can form 4 bonds. That means in a very simple language I can say a person can have a friendship with 4 persons. That person is said to as a carbon. If suppose the carbon will form the bond with other 4 peoples, that is said to be as a saturated. Means all the 4 bond is formed with the different atoms, then only it is said to be as saturated. This is the 2 carbon bonded with carbon. See here, 1 2 3 4. The another 4 capacity, combining capacity, 1 2 3 4 bond. So in this way, this carbon is saturated. Now over here in this carbon forms a double bond. That means this double bond can be broken down easily and another more hydrogen can be added. So this carbon is said to be as unsaturated. In unsaturation we have two possibilities. Double bond and triple bond. Here triple bond can be broken down. In this two double bond can be broken down, a single bond can be exist. That means to the carbon 2 hydrogen, here the carbon 2 hydrogen can acquire. So unsaturated compounds are classified as double bond and triple bond. An aromatic compound, you have seen benzene, this E by mistake came over here. E should be here, E. Benzene. What are saturated hydrocarbon? Right now I said that the hydrocarbon containing single bond between the two carbon atom. The alkane and cycloalkane, that is saturated one. Unsaturated one, the hydrocarbon which contain double bond or triple bond between the two carbon adjacent carbon atom, that is neighboring carbon atom, that is said to be as unsaturated one. That is ethene, ethine, carbon double bond and carbon triple bond. What are cycloalkanes? Try to understand all the basic points. The saturated compound which contain carbon atom in the closed chain. Remember carefully students, closed chain. Closed chain is also called as a ring compound. The people who wear the ring in their hand, fingers, that is said to be as a closed chain ring compound. Example, cyclopropane. See, all the carbon atoms should be bonded by each other. Remaining valency satisfied by the hydrogen, that is by CH2. This is cyclopropane. We will see the naming ahead. Cyclobutane, a basic naming you have studied in the 10th standard. Cyclobutane, carbon is having a single bond and the carbon is bonded other two bond by the hydrogen. Now answer the MCQ question students. Hydrocarbon are classified based on the number of bonds between the carbon atom in two. Saturated only. Option B is in front of your screen, that is unsaturated aromatic only. Option C, aromatic only. Option D, saturated unsaturated aromatic. Come on, answer the question. Tick tick 1. Samay samapt. The answer is D, right answer. Next question is in front of your screen. Which of the following is saturated hydrocarbon? A, B containing double bond, C containing triple bond, D containing double and triple bond. Come on, answer the question. Your time is starts. The answer is A, right answer. Very good. Now we will go ahead to see alkanes. Alkanes are inert under normal condition. Hence they are called as a paraffins. Paraffins means little affinity or no affinity to react. Why? Because they are saturated. They are well satisfied with the bond. So why alkane will undergo reaction? So under normal condition alkane do not undergo any reaction. They are inert. Inert means no reactivity. The saturated open chain hydrocarbon containing a single bond between two adjacent atoms is said to be as an alkane. Methane, ethane, which we have studied in the 10th standard. 10th standard. C. Coal mines. Remember carefully, just for the knowledge point of view, women are not allowed to do the mining engineering. The mining engineering is not allowed for the woman. So all you will get male in the mining industry. Over here in the marshy place also there are hydrocarbons, alkanes. The molecular formula for alkane CnH2n plus 2, which we have studied in 10th standard, N is the integral integer, that is 1, 2, 3. Number of carbon atom, CnH2n, n is equal to 1. CH4, you can substitute the value, 2 1s are 2 plus 2 4, CH4. See, in this way. Methane is also called as a marsh gas or a fire damp. Remember carefully for knowledge point of view. N equal to 2, hydrocarbon C2, H6. Likewise, propane and butane. As you have studied A, B, C, D in the childhood, now I will teach you a new alphabets in the 11th standard. That is M, E, P, B. Methane, ethane, propane, butane. You have to remember on your finger. 1 carbon methane, 2 carbon ethane, 3 carbon propane, 4 carbon butane. Alkane come under homologous series. Homologous you know very well. Every successive member is differed by the CH2 group. You must have studied. You have studied in 10th standard. Homologous series. The series is differed by successive member. CH2 group. See here. CH2 group. Structure of alkane. Carbon carbon single bond, carbon bond hydrogen. This carbon carbon single bond and carbon single bond and carbon hydrogen bond are formed by head on overlap, that is sp3 hybridized orbital of the carbon and one s orbital of hydrogen atom. Now this hybridization you must have studied with the different chapters. This chemical bonding is also going on, under which you will study in detail that hybridization, or in my next lecture I will explain you a very detailed point of view of the hybridization, because of Bohr principle also I have taught you. So again I will record some kind of the video, in that you can easily write the electronic configuration, and the hybridization you can easily understand in my next lecture. So as of now just you read it, I can say. In the alkane, carbon carbon single bond. In alkane all carbon atom are sp3 hybridized, and carbon carbon single bond having a bond length that is 154 picometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. And carbon 2 hydrogen bond length is 112 picometer. This picometer is converted into Armstrong. Tetrahedral geometry of the carbon atom. It is like a pyramid. You must have seen in the Egypt. I know that you have not went, but you have seen in the television or in the pictures. Egypt having a 3 base and 1 on the top. 3 base corner and 1 on the top. Is the same way of the tetrahedral geometry. You can see in the picture. 3-dimensionally it is moving. In this way, the Egypt is standing over here. Pyramids of Egypt, I mean to say. This is the base. This is the top one. This carbon is in between in the pyramid. In this way, this is the structure of actually methane. This yellow orange one is carbon, green one is hydrogen. Actually the pronunciation is hydrogen. See, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. See, yeah. Now what is structural formula and condensed formula? Try to understand. When you show the bond, it is a structural formula. If you compress the bond, it becomes condensed formula. This is molecular formula. You are counting the molecule and writing. Now we will see dash formula, that is bond line formula. Sorry, only dash means everywhere around the carbon atom there is dash, 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 dash formula. This is a Lewis electronic dot structure. The valence electron is drawn by the dot and the hydrogen atom electron is shown by the cross. This is said to be as a electronic structure. Bond line formula. The terminal indicate as a carbon atom. It is to be understood that there are 3 hydrogen atom and terminal to terminal there is 1 carbon. If there is a breaking in between or turning takes place, that means again carbon is increases. So this is 1 carbon, this is 2 carbon, hydrogen is to be understood. Here see, carbon, 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 hydrogen 3. Why? Because 1 is bonded to carbon 1. Now this carbon is attached by 2 carbon, so that is why it is understood that over here there is 2 hydrogen, CH3, CH2 and here CH3. So alkanes are classified as straight chain, branch chain. Straight chain and branch means one of the carbon is, if suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, if I write over here as a CH3 and I make this as a CH2, so it will form L, but it is a straight chain. Now if I break one of the carbon from the 4th position and keep it here in the between, it become branch. MCQ. Join the formula for alkane. Come on, answer the question. Option A, CnH2n. Option B, CnH3n. Option C, CnH2n plus 2. Option D, CnH2n minus 2. Come on, answer the question. CnH2n plus 2. Right answer. Next question. This compound is straight chain, branch chain, aromatic, non-aromatic, none of the above. The right answer is branch chain. Next. This triple bond compound is unsaturated or saturated or aromatic or none of this. The right answer is unsaturated. Very good. Moving ahead. Classification of carbon atom in alkane we will see next time. Thank you.